In this video, I want to talk about how you can fix the 404 error on Shopify. Now, usually you get this error because the page is not working, and the way to fix this is to create a custom redirect. So just quickly in here, it will show you how to do it, but I'll also quickly show you. So you want to find out which page is causing the error, and you can identify this just by using the Google Search Console, by going into this pages and not found, and it will show you the list of the broken URLs. After this, we want to set up our redirects. So go to Shopify, and in here you want to head over to content, find menus, in here URL redirects, create a URL redirect, and from in there you just want to create your new one. So enter the broken one, and then you want to enter the new one, which is, so basically when someone goes to the wrong one, the one that doesn't work, it's going to redirect it to the new one. Now simply save it in here, and now it should work. If it still doesn't work, try and check for any of these, and that should be all. Now worst case scenario and none of this works, then I suggest you just contact Shopify support. So just Google Shopify support and you will come to the contact page. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.